Hi there, Abdulakim here from the Stata Dojo channel. Welcome to the second episode of our 100 Stata tips and tricks for beginners. In this episode, I'll show you how to use the sample datasets installed with Stata. Yes, most people don't know that there are awesome datasets you can play with in Stata. If you're one of them, then stick around to find out how. Alrighty, let's get stuck in. So this is quick tip number 2. Now, to see the cool datasets installed by default in Stata, just click on the File tab on the menu bar and select Sample Datasets. Alright, it will bring you to this viewer window where you will see a link to the example datasets and a brief description below. Today we're only interested in the example datasets installed with Stata. So let's go ahead and click on that, okay? And boom, you see the many beautiful datasets that you can practice with and learn Stata easily without needing to look for data elsewhere. There are about 26 datasets on this list. And there are even more datasets, but that's for another video. To know more about any of these datasets, you can see its description. So for this first one, let's click on Describe, and let's check on our Stata main window to see its description, okay? Great. We can see that this is our auto data, right? And it has 74 observations and 12 variables. So it's just like saying the dataset has 12 columns and 74 rows, right? So these are the 12 variables under the variable name. Then we can see their storage type, their display format, value labels if they have any, okay? As well as the variable labels. Super awesome. Now, let's bring this data into Stata, shall we? So let's go back to the viewer window and click Use this time. This automatically loads the data into Stata. And when we go back to the main window, we can see that all the variables have been loaded into Stata and we're good to start running any kind of analysis we want. Awesome. So let's try some quick summary statistics for all the variables. So we'll click on Statistics and then Summary Tables and Tests, then Summary and Descriptive Statistics, and then Summary Statistics. In this Summary Statistics dialog box that pops up, we can see all the variables in the variable dropdown. And if we want to see the summary statistics of one specific variable, we just select it and click OK. Otherwise, to see for all the variables, we just leave this empty and then click OK, and boom, we have all our summary statistics. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So now you have many awesome data sets that you can play around with and be proficient with data management using Stata. So this is how to easily access and use data sets installed automatically with Stata. And if you want to watch the previous tips and tricks video on how to use, edit and browse commands, then click this video right here. And stay tuned for tip number 3. where I'll show you how to easily use the command box to quickly label any variable in Stata. If you're watching this video after I've released tip number 3, then you should be able to see it popping up right here on the screen or in the description of this video. Now, if you've gained value with this video, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing to the Stata Dojo channel so you can get all the episodes of my awesome Stata tips and tricks as soon as they drop. And you can also become comfortable with using Stata for statistical analysis. See you in the next one, and as always, thanks for watching.